Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about building wealth, making smarter financial decisions, and taking control of your future. Today we're diving into top 5 money myths that are keeping you poor. These myths might sound logical on the surface, but believing them can seriously sabotage your financial progress. So, let's bust some myths and get you on the path to financial freedom. Myth number 1. You need to make more money to get rich. This is a big one. So many people believe that the only way to build wealth is to earn more money. But here's the truth. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. If you earn $100,000 a year but spend $110,000, you're in worse shape than someone earning $50,000 but saving $10,000. Budgeting, saving, and investing are the real keys to building wealth, not just a higher salary. Myth number 2. Debt is always bad. Debt gets a bad reputation, but not all debt is created equal. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like student loans or a mortgage, can help you build skills or assets that increase your wealth over time. Bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt for non-essential purchases, will drag you down. The key is to manage debt wisely and use it as a tool, not a trap. Myth number 3. Saving is enough to build wealth. Saving is important, but if your money is just sitting in a savings account, you're losing out. Inflation eats away at the value of your money over time. To truly build wealth, you need to invest, whether it's stocks, real estate, or index funds. Putting your money to work for you is how you grow it over the long term. Myth number 4. You should avoid all risk. A lot of people believe that taking risks with their money is dangerous, so they stick to safe options like cash or low-yield accounts. But here's the thing. Avoiding risk entirely is the riskiest move of all. Playing it too safe means your money isn't growing and may not keep up with inflation. Smart, calculated risks, like diversifying your investments, are essential for long-term financial success. Myth number 5. You need to be an expert to start investing. Many people think investing is only for professionals or people with a lot of money, but that's just not true. Thanks to apps and platforms, you can start investing with as little as $5. Index funds, ETFs, and robo-advisors make it easier than ever. Start small, stay consistent, and educate yourself along the way. You don't need to know everything, you just need to get started. So, those are the top 5 money myths that might be holding you back. Remember, breaking free from these myths is the first step to taking control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and hit that like button and comment down for more content like this. And let me know in the comments, what's one money myth you've believed in the past? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching.